Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today it's still snowing. We are getting a record snowfall. So far we got 30 centimeters, which is like yeah much. And then we're still getting it. We'll get for another 4 hours. So the right thing to do in this is right after I shoveled my driveway. Even though I have a perfectly good working snowblower, I had to shovel it because, you know, real men shovels their driveway. Only the weak uses the snowblower. Ow! Okay, I didn't plan this. Whew, hurts. Anyway, gonna clean the snow off this and I'm gonna go for a drive, go for a coffee because I just need a little bit of time to air it out, and it'll be a great opportunity to try the two-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma in this fantastic weather out there. Alright, so we back in business. On the meantime, I just checked the news. There is about 20 more centimeters of snow coming down. So we'll probably get 50 millimeters by tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to shovel the driveway all over again, which I'm not looking forward to. So as usual, I still have that 90-pound salt bag in the back of my truck. Ooh, oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Came out of there nice. No drama. A little bit of fishtailing, but that's meh. Just life. Let's get our favorite coffee. Ooh, did you see the gas prices? $1.46. Whoa, turn, baby. That's a 190. Turn, baby, turn. I actually didn't control the wheel spin. I dropped down to a second gear instead of first gear. If I dropped it down to first gear, it would have been a lot nicer. Had a little bit too much wheel spin. Neither I wanted to stay on the highway because I was just taking a left turn on a highway. Medium cinnamon oatmeal latte. That's it. I really like this Tim Hortons new oatmeal latte. It is so nice. Come on, let me go. Let me go. I don't want to hit that. You guys may want to send somebody to do a little bit of shoveling on the
okay. Thank you.
All right, so let's see, where can we go? Let's go to Canadian Tire. And I'm taking a B road, so this road I don't think it's been shoveled. Maybe it did, but not enough. Still lots of stuff on the road. Okay, so there is a little itsy bitsy hill coming up. I don't think I'll have any issue as long as I have the velocity. But I'm gonna tell you this, with this Michelin X-Ice winter tires, with some weight on the back, this truck is surprisingly good. Now, you can't go any off-roading trails or whatnot. Like right now, I have no wheel spin, nothing. Just velocity, engine speed, slowly making up. That's it. I'm up the hill. I can go left. I can. If I go left, I know for a fact I'll get stuck. So I'm gonna go right. Michelin X-Ice Tyre. It's surprisingly good. The only tire I'm gonna say it comes close to it is either General Ultimax. I'm not gonna say the Bridgestone Blizzaks. The Bridgestone Blizzaks is a good tire. Don't get me wrong. It's not as good as an X-Ice, I'm sorry, or an Ultimax. And for the money, this is my first time buying a Michelin X-Ice. I have always used General Ultimax because That tire is unbelievable. Even after 80,000 kilometers in that tire, it still has a remarkable amount of grip in whiteout conditions like this. See, I'm not driving. Stop. Nice turn. Stop and go takes a bit of effort, but that's because there's no grip. I'm pretty sure the General Ultimax probably would have been the same. Alright, so this is going to be challenging. There is a hill and it snakes up. It's probably going to be hard to carry the velocity, but if it's been plowed properly, it'll probably be fine. But we are going to see. So on the left side, you will see a Defender 110. I want to go talk to the guy one day and see if he has any intention of selling it. Yeah, going up a hill, struggling, fishtailing, just a lot of steering input on my end to keep it somewhat reasonable. And if you can see the tracks on the road, there's probably a different kind of truck, heavy-duty truck, that fishtailed all its way in, spun and spun. So I have the RPM steady. Oh, there's a lot of steering input, a lot of spin. I'm on top of the hill. I don't want to follow a plow truck. There's no fun following a plow truck. Oh, he's gonna let me through. He's gonna let me through. Thank you, buddy. You are awesome. So now we're going down a hill, and I was actually a witness that a crash happened at the bottom of the hill. My dash cam had the whole thing, so gotta be careful because it's hard to stop at the bottom of that hill. So I'm gonna go down from third to second, probably first. I'm gonna go down first. You see that hill coming down? It gets fast. So I'm gonna go to first, leave it in gear, no gas, no gas, no brake. Just let it do its thing. Alright, so the road I was talking about is the one straight. It is not shovel, guys. No. I'm gonna be stuck. How the hell I'm gonna turn? Well, I'm still moving forward. I don't feel comfortable. But I really don't want to call Rob. Who is Rob? Rob is a friend who has a tow truck company in Georgetown. Yes, he will tow me out. I just don't want to give him a call. Don't want to give him an excuse to literally laugh at me. Okay, let's see if I can turn around here. I'm sorry, guys. This is a lot of snow here. We received like 30 centimeters yesterday, and this hasn't been plowed, so yeah, let's go somewhere else. Oi, 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 oi. Come on. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. This didn't get plowed either. Fantastic. But at least on this road, I actually know a couple of people on this road. If I do get stuck, I'll just walk over to their house and ask for help. The Taco has an adequate ground clearance for whatever I'm doing. It's not about the ground clearance, it's about the weight in the back, engine in the front, and it being a two-wheel drive. And cherry on top, it doesn't even have a limited slip, it's open diff. So one-wheel drive when it's stuck. Another secret is towards the end of the month I'm going to a track, a snow day, which is going to be a slip and slide and all of that stuff with the Taco. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun. I'm going to a track day with the Taco. So stupid. Going up a hill. Woo, that's gonna be a sketchy hill. Holding velocity, RPM, steering input. Yeah, did it. Lots of steering input coming up this hill. Partly because road has been plowed and salted. Every time there's salt on the road and there's still snow, it turns into some sort of a slush, and the slush is slippery. The snow itself is not that bad. Alright, so we're in our favorite Canadian Tire. I'm gonna go in, gotta buy some salt. And that's it for me.